Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Mercedes W207. This is the latest system, and TG5 came in this car, but unfortunately car doesn't has the software support to activate Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So we have used CarPlay box, CarPlay module and external hardware in the car to connect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto both. Right now my iPhone is connected. I will show you to shift the CarPlay from original menu to the CarPlay menu. This back button is used. I will hold this for 3 seconds. So this is the CarPlay menu. In the menu we have first of all car music, we have CarPlay, we have Android Auto, we have mirroring, Bluetooth, we have video functions, we USB, we have front view mirror, camera, exit, and lots of other exit settings, lots of other settings for the interface, for general setting, car, language, system. On the CarPlay menu we have these kind of applications. I will go to the CarPlay. Here right now my phone is connected here with the car. First of all we have this phone, music, maps, messages, all the Apple's original application that comes on the first page. Then we have some pre-installed applications that are on my phone. First of all I have the Easy Park, Google Maps, Parkstar, SR Play. Lots of other applications I have installed on my phone. All are working with this CarPlay. For example, we go to the Google Maps. So here you can see it's showing this address. So right now we are at Sweden, Malmvägen 18D. If I go back, we have like ways as well, so you can download any kind of navigation system in the car. I have original maps as well from Apple. Plus here as you can see, this is the split screen menu of the CarPlay. Here you can see one. Here I am using Swedish radio. It's a Swedish radio application, SR Play, in this side. Then I have the split screen menu, but when I will tap on the navigation ways either on the screen, it will be like on full screen like this. So that's the menu of the Apple CarPlay. If we go back, right now I don't have any mobile phone, Android mobile phone, so I cannot show you the Android Auto connectivity, but the Android Auto works same like the iPhone. You just need to connect with the Android Auto, first Bluetooth and Android Auto, and everything will work nicely. Then we have some other functions like AirPlay. We have some Android Auto functions like mirroring. We have Bluetooth. We have video. Right now I don't have any USB with me, but if you have any USB you can watch videos via USB as well, or you can listen the music as well from USB. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the description below, so I will be happy to answer you. So from factory this car came with the backup camera, so we have not installed any camera with the car, but you can add aftermarket camera if your car has no camera, or if your car has the factory camera, it will work as it is. All the sensor will work normally. It will not affect anything in the car. All is the plug and play harness wiring. So if you need any kind of solution for your car, multimedia solutions, ambient lights, back cameras, you can contact us in the description below. I will provide all the contact information. That's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.